the first time and I feel so excited. Estoy muy contenta de estar en Filipinas.
So, what are you looking forward to doing while you're here?
Learn more about your beautiful country, Philippines, more about it, and obviously know more about the beautiful language that you know. I'm really interested about it.
So, do you know any? Do you know any Tagalog?
Mabuhay,
Maraming salamat.
maraming salamat po. Opo, Andy, I think so. You are so beautiful. I remember you, Salvador. You are the first interview in English. So thank you for that. I hope that my English is better. I hope. But I'm happy. I'm so happy with the Asian tour. I've visited many countries of Asia, and for sure we are excited to be here in the Philippines and enjoy beautiful moments.
For sure, Michelle or people you met, the other Filipinos have told you about what are you looking forward to para sa
Well, I want to know more about the Philippines.